You hear about people making money on YouTube, but is it really possible? Yes, it is possible. But can anyone do it? Today, I'm going to tell you step by step the realities of YouTube monetization, what you need to know and how to make your own channel profitable and how to improve yourself so you can too. YouTube is like a television, but with millions of small broadcasters. There are thousands of people who earn serious income by producing content on this platform. Some earn $100 a month, some earn $100,000. The important thing is to find the right niche and earn good money with the right strategy. Being disciplined and patient is the most important thing in my opinion. But the question everyone is wondering is, can I do it too? The answer is yes, but with the right strategy. To make money on YouTube, you first need to join the partner program. There are two basic conditions for this. 1. 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. 2. 4,000 hours of watch time, or 10 million shorts views if you want to monetize shorts. Gaming videos usually yield lower earnings. Niche areas such as finance and health offer higher earnings. Once you complete these requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program.
1. Advertising revenue, AdSense. Ads that appear at the beginning and in the middle of your videos. You earn revenue as they are watched, but CPM rates vary from country to country. 2. Sponsorships. Brands may reach out to you and ask you to promote their products. This is one of the most profitable sources of revenue on YouTube. 3. Join button and super chat. During live broadcasts, viewers can donate to you, or they can buy a monthly subscription to your channel. 4. Digital product sales, affiliate marketing. You can sell your own ebook, training, or you can promote someone else's product and get commission from the sale. As can be seen, there are many different types of earnings. Your first goal should be to create value, not to get subscribers. The viewer should say, "Wow, I didn't know that." But before you start making money, you need to take it seriously. YouTube is no longer just a hobby, it's a real business. To be successful, you should produce regular content, know your target audience well. You must continuously improve your content. You have to be patient. This is not a get-rich-overnight story. Use SEO well. Title, tag, description are important. Even if you are a small channel, you can be discovered with the right content. Follow the trends but create your own style. Making money on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but it is possible for anyone who is organized and patient. Be patient for 3 months, try for 6 months, labor for 1 year. The rest comes. Create value first, money will come later. Don't depend on a single source of income. Be honest and transparent with your audience. Be patient and think long-term. Constantly improve your content and yourself. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Write your questions below. I answer them all.